know what? I do have actually some issues right now. Albatros. Obviously, I'm in bathroom. Sabi ko lang, siguro I'm not really someone that can easily deceive by something, by some words from a man, from a guy. Diba? Kasi earlier, this guy told me something like a lot of sugar-coated na mga words, and affirmations na, just to make me feel okay and feeling niya siguro para hindi ako mag-isip ng masama against him. Parang gano'n. Tapos, tinatry niya akong i-assure using those words na mukha namang kapani-paniwala. Sabi ko nga I'm not sure if may problema ba ako sa judgment ko or talagang may trust issues lang ako. Sabi niya lang na, I do have plans for you, ganyan, for us. And then, just have to trust me, parang ganun. Tapos, parang pinumanahan niya na lang ako. Diba? Na, mamaya naman ito, mag-message ka sa akin, yung mga ayaw ko, like, ganyan, na tatanungin mo ako kung nasan ako, kung yung ginagawa ko, kung sino kinikita ko, ganyan. Alam mo yung parang pinangunahan niya na lang ako. Para hindi ko gawin yung mga ganun bagay. Okay. After that conversation lasted for about an hour, ganyan. Then after 4 hours na ngayon, wala naman siyang kahit na anong messages afterwards. Wala na siyang follow-up messages. Tapos, wala na akong narinig kahit na ano. I ask, I just message na maliligo ako kasi lalabas ako. And that was 2 hours ago. And then, until na, wala pa rin naman siyang response dun sa mga messages na yun. You know what? This guy, mga ganitong kind of men or boy, I'm not sure. Men who is actually saying those words, tapos iba naman yung actions nila after. I don't think I should trust them, di ba? Wala. Iba na yung trust issues ko talaga. Sabihin mo ng negative ako, pero yun yung ayun na yung actions after. Wow, never heard again from this man after the last conversation that we had. Kunwari, goodbye pa siyang ganyan. After, wala na. Di ba? Parang, what now? Ganun. Tapos, syempre ikaw, parang, he's just trying to play games, trying to manipulate my feelings, trying to manipulate the situation na parang, for you not to bother me today, I'm going to stay with you on video call for that will last for an hour. Then afterwards, wala na. Diba? So you will never ask him, oh, where are you now? What are you doing? Kasi sasabihin niya naman sa'yo na, oh, diba, you're doing the same thing over and over again. You're being toxic. Really? Diba? So kasalanan ko na ganun yung feeling ko na ginagaslight ako, tapos minamanipulate ako, tapos, ganun yun. Gaslighting, di ba? Baka after this, you're going to call me or you're going to text me again asking me, where are you? Where are you right now? Ganyan. O di, ganun nga yung nangyari, di ba? It's been almost 5 hours since the last conversation that we had, and yet it's not responding to the last text message that I sent. Wala na. So, ang ending nito, I will not bother him or ask him, where are you? Why it's late na, you're not responding na, have you slept? Or you're out? Diba? Or, sorry. Diba? Pwede naman if you were in this kind of relationship, like, you have to make sure to update naman the girl or the person that you're in a relationship with, kung nasang lupalop ka na ba or kung ano pa yung ginagawa mo after that conversation, diba? Wala Tapos gusto niya maging okay ako, and for me to stop thinking negative about him. Tapos calling me toxic after those mga blah 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 niya, yada yada niyang sinasabi, di ba? Ewan ko ba. There's something that I am feeling na hindi talaga maganda, di ba? So, I think I should learn to stop approaching this kind of person na wala akong mapapala kundi puro problema or stress lang din. In case na kailangan ko ng makakausap, something that I can share about, my whereabouts or ups and downs or experience or how was my day gone, diba, or going. Wala. He's not available. Kasi sa isang conversation na yun, ibubuhos niya na lahat, magdadadadal na siya lahat at kung ano na sasabihin niya, tapos magkakomment siya ng ganito, ganyan, bla bla bla. Wala na. So, ito na. Patunay na to na after wala na akong narinig sa kanya. And I do have proof that you're doing this to me. So, forget about it kasi I'm becoming toxic. I'm becoming more tawag dito. Anong tawag mo dito sa klase na to na parang namumukha akong may sakit, namumukha akong insane dito sa mga nangyayari na to na I keep on questioning my sanity actually kasi feeling ko tama yung sinasabi niya. Pero at the end of the day, tama ako. Ginagaslight niya talaga ako. So, okay na yun. At least, I am still aware na okay pa ako. Diba? Sabi ko na nga lang, ako mismo, inaano ko yung sarili ko. Ginagaslight ko yung sarili ko. Or I'm convincing myself na, baka naman talaga, tama naman talaga siya. Pero hindi eh. The actions is different from what he is saying or what he said. So, let's not question. Never chase, never bubble texting, no asking questions, period. Okay? I'll just do my thing. I'll go outside. I'll go out. Diba? Kaysa binuburo ko yung sarili ko, maliligo ako, mapapaganda ako, lalabas talaga ako. Diba? It's really so unfair that I am always the one who is thinking kung ano yung ginagawa niya. Why not? I-reverse natin na siya na lang mag-isip kung ano yung ginagawa ko. Diba? So, mag-ayos ako. Yun na lang yung gagawin ko. I'll make myself pretty today. So, I'll be back. Thank you.